I'm here with my CWC mini toaster oven, and I want to make some roasted eggplants and peppers.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
I have a little patio garden and I just picked some eggplant and peppers today. So I thought I would cut them up and roast them in the mini toaster oven and make kind of like a roasted eggplant stew. And I'll probably cook up some rice to eat with this. And that's what I'm gonna have for lunch today. This is what I am going to put in the toaster oven. So what I have is my little round baking dish, and I cut up the eggplant into little pieces, maybe like 1-inch pieces, and I put them in the baking dish, and I cut up one pepper. These are Italian sweet frying peppers, and I cut that up about the same size and put it on top of the eggplant. And I also grabbed a little bit of fresh basil and some fresh parsley, and I put that on top, and I tried to push it down the side, and then I probably added like a 1/4 cup of water on the bottom just to help it cook. And this is what I'm putting in the toaster oven. Let's open this. I'm using the tray on the bottom, so I want this to go on the tray. And I'm pushing it all the way in. There's probably like 3/4 of an inch clearance between the heating element on top and the vegetables, so some of them might end up browning a little bit. And I have this on 450 as high as it goes, which is actually like 350. And I am gonna cook this for, let's put it on for 40 minutes, and then let's check it after 40 minutes. The toaster oven stopped cooking, so let's see what's going on inside. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. There's still liquid on the bottom, but you know, when you cook eggplant and peppers, they do release liquid. And everything feels nice and soft. I'm just gonna taste a piece. I'd like to cook it a little bit longer. I'd also like to add additional flavors to it. I have an open can of Rotel tomatoes and chili peppers. I think that's what it is. I know it's Rotel. So I'm just gonna add some of this, and I know it's pretty spicy. So that'll give it a good amount of flavor. Can I pull this out a little bit more? I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Some granulated garlic, just mix that in. I'm gonna spray it with some olive oil, just a little oil on it. And I think that'll be it for now. So I'm gonna put this back in. I'm gonna be really careful because it's hot. And I'm gonna cook it for another 30 minutes on 450. The toaster oven stopped cooking about 5 or 10 minutes ago, and I wanted to let it cool down a little bit. And look at that. That looks really good. And everything is nice and soft and cooked. This looks great. I'm just gonna taste a little bit of it. That is excellent. It would also be really good with a little bit of grated cheese on top. Another thing about this mini baking dish is that I think it's like the perfect size because it's not too small, it's not too large. It gives you like the perfect portion for a meal. And I also made some brown rice. So let's add some rice to this. This is some brown jasmine rice, just because that's what I had. I'm gonna mix that in. So here we have a delicious, healthy lunch. It was so easy to cook in the CWC mini toaster oven. I think that looks really good. I'm gonna taste it again. It's delicious. I'm gonna add just a little pinch of salt and a little black pepper. But I am going to add just a little bit of shredded Parmesan. And that's going to be my lunch. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this mini toaster oven. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.